could do something like this. So, yeah. Like the parts with
What's your favorite?
my favorite is Monkey Cage, and it was just natural.
Amazing. I'm gonna give you a little raccoon. Give me 2 seconds. You win a little raccoon stuffy from Streets of Toronto.
Thank you so much.
And it's strong.
This is my second time being here. I was here for the first feature film, 30 Seconds Happening 6 years ago. It's been a long, long journey to get here, but thanks to all the volunteers and filmmakers, it worked so hard for all of the filmmakers to be here and have a great time. So thank you for that. I hope to enjoy, just relax, just shave everything off and just enjoy the hour and 45 minutes ride. Thank you so much.
I wept like a baby after seeing this film. It was so emotional, so moving, and I had no idea what I was about to go into, and I'm so glad that this is here at TIFF.
Much bigger than I expected it. So yeah, that was kind of my way into, I didn't talk about this before.
That's what we're here for, that's
Yeah.
totally fine. But I'm also kind of curious about the casting process because there's so many elements to this.
Like, I keep hearing the same thing over and over again. What's the next message? To harass it because snipers have shot children in the head. That's the IDF that they keep saying God bless.